For this demonstration, I'm going to be going through how you can quickly and easily set up the new Conga Sign Connector. To start us out, I'm here in the Conga platform, and I'm under Data Sync within Conga Sign Settings. I can see here that we have the provider that's available, that is Salesforce. And to start myself out and get connected, the first thing I'm going to do is connect. So I'll click Connect, and it will ask me what type of Salesforce environment I want to authorize with. In this case, I'm in a sandbox, so I'm going to go ahead and choose sandbox, and then I will authorize. Once I've done that, the page is going to refresh, and since it's successful, I can see that it is connected. And with that in mind, I can move on to the other setup pieces of this connector. The next place I'm going to go is this write back mapping tag. And you can see that I have several different fields that have been configured for write back, but I'm going to make a new one by clicking New Write Back tag. And what I'm presented with is the option to set up different write back fields. In this case, I'm going to choose Opportunity as my object. And then for field, I'm going to select Title as the field that I would like to write information back to. So once I have my target source, which is Salesforce, the object, which is the object that is going to write back to, and the field, which is the field that values are going to write back to, I can go ahead and save. And then the write back is ready to use within different templates. So from write back management, I can go into templates as an admin. And I've already been working on several different document types, but I'm going to go into this SOW for 2024. And you can see that I have my document selected. I have a placeholder for the signer. But what I'd like to do is for the tags that I have set up, I'd like to make one of them a write back tag. So under this menu, I can select write back helper. I'll look for opportunity. This is going to show me any of the objects that have been set up for this. And then I'm going to search for title, the field that I just made. It will bring me to the title field and I can copy that. And once it's been copied, under this text field, I'm going to paste it into the field name. That's saved my template and it's now ready to go and be used in Salesforce. So I'm going to copy this and put it into some button code that I have on another screen, and then head into Salesforce. So once I'm in Salesforce, the next thing that I need to do is create a button. And I have a button already created. It's on my page layout, but to show you just how easy it is to set up the button, I'm going to go ahead and make it here on this demonstration. And what I can do is take the button code that's already provided that can be copied and pasted into a button within Salesforce and paste it directly in here. And there are two parameters that I'd like to point out that you can set. You can set what the transaction name is going to be and what the template ID is. So you can see here, the template that we were just working on, I was able to paste that ID into this template ID parameter, and it will be used for my senders moving forward and have that template automatically defined for them. More parameters will be coming later, but these are the two that we can showcase at this time. So from here, I'll go ahead and save. And all that's left as an admin is for me to add that to the page layout, but since it's already on there, I can switch to my sender role and move into an opportunity. So you can see here that I have an opportunity. A lot of things have been filled out except for this title field, so keep that in mind as we're going through this. Nothing's entered into the title field yet, but once we have that information inputted, it will write back into Salesforce. So as a sender, I'll go ahead and click this Send to Sign button. And what this will do is take me into the transaction using the template that was defined in the button. So you can see here, it's loaded the transaction creation screen. That document is already predefined in here for my sender. All they need to do is select what recipient they'd like to send to. So I'll pick Salish Murray. When I click Next, you can see here that all of the tags are currently in place. So we have those signing fields as well as that write back field ready to go. And as a sender from here, I can just go ahead and send to sign. Once I've sent it out, I can see that this is in progress and that I'm waiting for Salish. I can either go back into the Conga platform or I can go back into Salesforce And then as I navigate into my inbox as the recipient, I can see that a new transaction has been delivered to me. I can go to those documents and sign as I normally would. In this case, I can go ahead and apply my signature as well as enter my title. I'll put CFO. And then once I confirm, the transaction is complete on my end, and the signer will be notified that a transaction is complete. So if I go back into Salesforce, the last piece of this is all of the data gets synced back into Salesforce. So when I refresh this record, you can see that that CFO title has been written back into Salesforce and the final document has been synced back to Salesforce as well. I can open it up, scroll to the bottom, and see the signature which has been applied. And that is a quick demonstration of the new Conga Sign Connector and how you can quickly and easily set that up for your Salesforce org.
All roads lead to the Conga customer community. Connect with peers, access exclusive resources, and stay ahead with the latest insights. Click the link in the video description to log in now and start exploring.